Hey everyone, I am in Walmart and there is quite a few of the gift sets out already. $14.98. We have Find Your Happy Place. Let's see, scented candles. You will get 2. So 2 candles. And working hands for healthy feet. $14.88. And shea butter. This is going to be $14.88. Less bristle, non-slip grip. You have coconut curling cream and styling cream. And down here, same price, $14.88. They have avocado curl activator, avocado oil, and shea butter. Silicone free. They also have the gel. The gel is alcohol free. The wrap and curling cream. So these are new sets here. This one is like a foot scrub, foot cream, foot scrub, slippers, and like lotion. That's $14.98. Dove is $14.88. You get exfoliating body polish, a loofah, body wash, and deodorant spray. And more Find Your Happy Place, $14.98. Bath and Body 4-piece. Lotion, hand wash, shower gel, and hand cream. And $9.98. Now this one is hand care essentials. You get a foaming hand wash, hand cream, and hand sanitizer. Everyman Jack, a $35 value. Sorry about that. $14.88. You get beard and face wash. Make sure they scrub that beard. Beard butter and beard oil. Dove Men Care, $14.88. Let's see, 48-hour protection, 2-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, face and body wash, and of course deodorant and spray. A $40 value. Look at this one. Beard 2-in-1 wash and tame, beard balm, beard butter, oil, and you will get a brush. This set is going to be a little cheaper, $9.88. You get the micro mist and the beard brush. Axe, $14.88. There's 2 to choose from. We have Caress. I know a lot of people love to buy this just for themselves at home, right? I mean, come on. You get 2 bath bars, shea butter and brown sugar, cocoa butter and oat milk, and a Vaseline. All for $9.88. So pretty much I'm just going to round it to 10 for me. Dove is $9.88 as well. So you get the loofah, body polish, and the wash. Dr. Teal's, $9.88. Body lotion, and then you get the sleep one with essential oils. Coconut oil. There's just like 2 different types to choose from, and these are $9.88. So if you really want to get your spa day on for yourself, kick everybody out, including the dog, no animals, no birds, nothing. $9.98. We have more Dr. Teal's at the bottom. They always bring this out. Ooh, how much is this? There's no price. You know, my Walmart doesn't have a scanner anymore, so it's like I have to use a phone. But if this is 10 bucks, I'm going to grab that. You get 2 handles and 12 cartridges. Huh, can we scan that, babe? And they also have the Big Flex 5. You get an 8 count. So this is going to be a $9.88. Again, good. You got a teen, your man, yourself. I know I prefer the men shavers for my legs. I like it better. I don't know.
It cuts closer, this one. This one, they have no matching items found.
I can't find this on the app. It might be about $9.88, maybe close to 10. Some more spa sets. We have Olivia Grace, that's the brand. Rose body wash, body mist, loofah body lotion, and it also comes in lavender. Lotion and hand wash, it looks like, $4.98. We have coconut and coconut lime, also French lavender. On top, a little foot care. Those are $10. And it looks like more hand cream. I mean, tons and tons of hand cream here. $4.98. My beauty spot This is Olivia Grace again. Almond milk, vanilla and berries, sugar and honey. A 4-piece Bright and Shine. More spa day gift for yourself. Okay. What is this one? 10 bucks. Ooh. Bliss. Holographic foil eye mask. Depuff and brighten. You will get bright and radiant whip mask. Mighty Marshmallow. Watermelon for overnight de-stressing. And pumpkin powerhouse. This is actually not bad for $9.98. I mean, gift that to me, thank you very much. Or you know, for your teen who's always trying to dip in your stuff. $20. Say hello. Okay, Skin Proud. Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. I've never heard of this, so something I would have to look up. And you get like a refresher. Bath bombs are always here. These are $9.98. There's plenty of bath bombs. And then it looks like we're going to dip into the nail polish nail dryer. You will get 28 for $24.98. Comes in pink and black. So this one's going to be $25 value. It looks like you get makeup remover wipes and moisture lotion. All is calm and gentle, a skincare set. You only get 2 items for $20, so I'm not sure if that's like a big brand or anything. So it's kind of pricey for 2 items. Dr. Teal's again, you get 2 for $3. More foot care, foot scrub. You get your man, you get somebody rub down your feet. Deck the halls, a muscle relief. These are bath soap. These are only $1. And here's another one. Eco Tools. Okay, how much are you? $14.98. Just a glow with it. You turn this around, you get a softening rose and coconut. It's like body lotion. Let me turn it around. So you get a dry body brush, cleaning brush, a little loofah, body roller. So you can apply like your favorite lotion, you just roll it on your legs. And then you get the exfoliating body scrub and hydrating body lotion. Makeup eraser, a $24 value. You will get 2 in here. Just add water for $19.98. I can't remember if I said that already. Oh, look up here, you guys. I found another Bliss set, a $19.98. Let's see, you have a little Christmas tree. So in this one, you will get the holographic foil sheet mask, a charcoal. You got the eye puff, exfoliating cream, a scrub, a peel, and a makeup melt, like a jelly cleanser. And then you will get makeup wipes. So all of this for $20. I love this. I'm loving these new like face skincare sets. And Freeman, which is really good too, you guys. $9.98. And you could buy the small ones in Five Below for $5. But this one's a 12-piece set. You get cucumber, charcoal, sweet tea and lemon, apple cider vinegar, like a clay and mask. You get a peel off, gel cream, like hydration one. Watermelon and aloe is going to be a gel one, so not bad. Again, if you do guys shop in Kohl's always has Freeman's, but they're really pricey. They're like 20 bucks in Kohl's, so not bad price here in Walmart. More bath bombs like the Chill Pill. Chill Pill hard candy. These are $1 if you can't find them in your Dollar Tree, which I never can. We have a hydrating primer mist, energizing toner, matte setting spray, long wear setting spray, and they also have like the cream. This one is hydrating primer, mattifying primer. Let me see the pink one. And perfect primer. Okay, yeah, and these are only $1, so not wrong in a stocking stuffer or just for yourself, More makeup just scattered around the place. Okay, $4.98 eyeshadow palette. Kind of looks like that Makeup Revolution that you could find up in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You get the brush. This one's Mocha Classic. A folding mirror set. Okay, we have Unicorn, Pajama Party, and a Sloth. And like the Llama Alpaca. What is down here? Oh, nails. So if you have little children or for yourself, this is great. Little fashion fun. You will get 48 for $5. Hand lotion, a grape, berry, vanilla. Those are only $1. Just found that randomly on the shelf. And over here it looks like we're gonna get into more children's stuff. So you know, Walmart likes to bring out a lot of a lip balm. These are $2. Frozen, Space Jam, Rainbow Bright. These are $5. You get the little case. LOL roll-on, a lip gloss. Don't forget about Barbie, Frozen. And these are $10, and you will get 18. Foaming soap, $3. Hand and body moisturizing foam soap. Berry Blast, grape, cherry, and apple. Okay, nail body art set. These are only $1. And $10. You know, we have Spider-Man and Avengers in here. Little basketball hoop game. More bathroom stuff. Toothbrush, you get the cup and everything. These are $5. You also have SpongeBob, Black Panther at the bottom. Tumblers, it looks like, let's see, these are $5. You get the loofah and bath bombs. Multiple to choose from. If you just want the loofah, those are $3. Look at those are $1. Mr. Bubble. Who remembers Mr. Bubble from back in the day? I love the smell, right?
I know. We used to get that for the kids for their bubble baths. That did smell pretty good.
And $4.98 we have Lip Smacker Crayola. Oh look, they have the Christmas one too in here. These are such a good deal if you're a lip balm fan. And on this wall, you guys, is nothing but candy. Like $12.98. Twix. Look at this box of joy and peace. You get crackers, hot chocolate mix. These are $20. There's another one for $12.98. Pretty much $3. You get the little canvas tote. They're already falling over. If you're a Coke person, at $22. Oh, you know what's kind of cool? They have a whole glass collection down here, which is actually really neat. It does come with coasters and a pretzel, but I never seen it with the glass collection. Starbucks holiday blend, ceramic mug, another one with hot cocoa, $16.98. Budweiser, you will get one, and it comes with a bottle opener. These are glass, so keep that in mind. A soup gift set, which I haven't seen here. We have tomato, and what's kind of cool, it gives you a recipe on here. Chicken, potato, and vegetable. These are $18. Margaritaville, $20. Are these glass? Okay, they are. Because you know, sometimes they try to give you the cheapy plastic. $6.98. These are going to be cookies, of course. More Coke stuff on top. It looks like popcorn. Bottle opener. Let's find out. Oh gosh. Sriracha, look at this, $16.98. Okay, if you have somebody in school who just loves food, look at that mug. You get the sauce, the spoon, chopsticks, and of course ramen in here. And the Coke on top, you guys, that is $20. $13 to get the little mix too. Funfetti, $12.98. Oh, look at that little pan, like pancake mold. That's kind of cool. Craft beer flight set. Okay, this is gonna be $14.98. Let's see, no alcohol in here, you know. I don't see a price. Normally it's like right up front. $10.98. So you get 6 in here. Not bad. A lot of hot sauce, the sausage, and cheddar. I know a lot of people go hard for this. $9.98. The marble cheese slicer one is $16.98. You get the cheese slicer, and $20 at the bottom. This one's $10. A little Nesquik. $5.98. Let's Bake mug cake mix set, like cake in a mug, I guess. You throw it in the microwave. It just like gives you like the Nutella. They have an Oreo one, and let me grab this one. This one is Peppermint Bark. What'd you find?
This is actually one big Snickers.
Oh, you know what? It's not a, that's cool. I don't think I've seen a Snicker ones yet.
Me either.
And then candy, you guys. Candies and candy canes. That is all they have set up here. This, you know, you get 15 lollipops on the inside. Don't mistake it that you're going to get a big giant lollipop. I don't know why they haven't done that yet, but they should.
This one's a big Hershey bar.
Oh, yeah?
3-pound bar.
That is cool.
And it's huge.
What is this? Is this an advent calendar? Oh gosh, so. It is. Let's see. I'm trying to find a price because they never have prices. But oh, you get just like the bites and stuff like that.
Oh, it's all right.
Yeah.
That's all.
All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Walmart location. So a little bit of spa, tons of food gifts. I do know they're gonna add more. These self-care kits are not bad for, you know, pretty much $10, but I'm really feeling the Bliss. These are really cool. This is a cool set, again, for a teen, yourself. I like this a lot. All right, you guys, I will be back when they add more. I will hit up different locations, and if I'm stumbling with my talk, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it all in like one shot, you know, because I do edit when I'm at work. I'm like sitting in my car on my lunch break, like, I gotta edit. All right, guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.